So mo ni karon ang among pa-repair na balay sa sulod. Awa. Renovation. Muna ang ilahang bakbakon. Kambyuhan o pandinakan. Una ang nabasa. Muna ang nagtulo. Itong last time. Sa kusog sa ulan o hangin. Muna. Standby sa dali, standby. So, muna repair sa balay. Ito lang ba? Kakuan rin na. Kumatko. Muna ilang bangagan ugma. Come on here. Get up. Because you can't play here. Come on. Mura ni. Anto din haon lagitin. Para dili masud lang sila. Di magabog-abog po pag magbakbak na sila rin. Wala nga tungkuan din eh.
Still elevating moisture and pretty close to being saturated. But yes, that's definitely active. And then this, just literally this beam right here, that's where the water could have been. Okay. Show you quick what we were looking at when we took down the sheets.
Oh, was it a mess behind all the couches?
No, not too terrible.
That
was that first sheet we got down. Oh, okay. All the paint's obviously insulation, so various species of growth. Yeah.
That's a lot.
Right now, they've sprayed antimicrobial chemical.
Oh, okay.
It was like dry. So I think it's getting in right there. Yeah, when we opened it, insulation was in these two, and then there was no insulation in all these. How's it are? It's not unusual at all.
Trabaho na niya. Uy, morning worker. Morning ang among maraming crime scene oh. Ang show sa among TV room. Oh, wow. So look at it. Uy. Wow. Sinani sila magtrabaho diri guys. So mo ni ang among ceiling katubi tong naitap-tap katong na bangag diri guys kay sa kakusog sa ulan nya walay gater ang katong isa ka atop namo. Bubong. Yeah. Moto nagtulo siya guys tapos moto. Sus gamit gyud kaayo guys basta na mo insurance in balay kay cover jud. Tapos first gilangkat to siya tapos moto tawag nila mitigation ba na. Ilang gipauga ang ceiling, ilang gipangkuha ka ng mga mold gimold na kay taod-taod na siguro to nga nagbasa kasi walang nabantayan so direnha pa nga pagtulo na sige na magtulo. So muna siya guys. So, magtiwas pa sila trabaho, ugma. Kuha po din nila wala mga sugaw. Nani sila trabaho din eh, makasilupin. Para paglangkat nila, kuha nila. Nice na siya. Wanay bangag. Nila mga gamit. Couch ni na guys din sa TV room. Ang TV na din na kita plug. Almost done. Tomorrow balik na sila tapos muna na ang last day. Paspas sila maglihok pa paspas. Gawas na ta. Sila. Completed yun na sila para dili magasgasan ang salog sa kuan. Yes, blind. Oh, excited na si Ezekiel mo. So, finish na ang kwarto guys. Nagipaayo na mo sa ibabaw. Wow! Oh my gosh, no. Lang na mo ang carpet. So, dito ang bangag, guys. Oh. Dito siya ang bangag. Nawala ang katong ceiling. So, karon balik na siya. All good. Ha? What, love? Hi, Zika! Kuha na. The clean, very good, oh. And that's why we have this mat. So, para wala kasi nila daghan na ka ng maglapok-lapok. Back to original na ang kalat. Makalat-kalat. Driba mi, tanaw. Magsingin ka? Ang bangag.
So if you're back on. Put it on. That one. There it is.
Yan, gawa na siya. Wala bangag ang atong ceiling. Ayo na naayo. Did you forget that one? Yeah, because the workers get all those lights. So that one. Christmas tree na. Pork jelly. Yeah, it's jigo. Excited ang Ezekiel. Wala pa ninabihan. Dala ni Daddy kahapon.
Daddy buy it.
Siya ka daw mag-open, oh. This way pa. This way pa si patong na sa tamang counter. Hard. Let me help you. Oy. Hard man, oy. Open it. You want that color or orange?
I want only red. I want
Okay,
red.
I'll get red.
I don't know what that one.
Wanna go try? You wanna go give brother? Go try give brother orange. Maybe mango he would like. Later na po din, okay? Muna ang fruit jelly. Fruit jelly nga naa sa Christmas tree.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.